Speaking of stinky, time to change your diaper. That's better. Now a little powder. All done. I think it's time for nappy bite. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, Mommy and Daddy. Go to sleep. Go to...
That's all I ever do. She just plays with the kids all day. What the world?